loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be doing a Coach outlet accessories haul. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, continue watching this video. Hi loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and here on my channel we cover all things designer related, from contemporary all the way up to luxury, with a touch of lifestyle and fashion. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Alright guys, now let's get into the video. So I ordered a few pieces. I'm not sure what's what because it came in different packages, but I wanted to pick up some accessories from the Coach outlet because they always have such great sales. So I figured it would be a great time to do so. So let's see what's inside. So it comes in this regular plastic, and it's actually wrapped up really pretty. I usually go into the outlet store to purchase items, so this is pretty nice. So this is the mid-size wallet. This is the chalk color. Let me show you guys. It's so pretty. It says it goes for $178, but they were having a sale, and honestly guys, I think I paid like $69, I want to say, because with taxes and everything it was literally under $80. So again, I'll leave the correct names down below in the description box so you can see. So this is the chalk wallet. What's in this? Guys, I love unboxing. I don't know, it just makes me very, very happy. This is the second wallet I got. Again, the packaging is really pretty. So I got the same wallet in the color black because I picked up a few bags from Coach, which you guys have seen my unboxing. So I wanted to get some wallets to kind of match it. This is black with the gold hardware. It has the zipper so you can put coins, and what I like is you can put your cards in here, and if you have cash, you can put cash in there. So it's a pretty decent sized wallet, not too big, not too small. So this is the black one. I paid $61.04. So let's see what's next. Okay, so I got one more package. Okay, so this one has 2 items inside. So this one is the heart coin pouch, which I saw online and I wanted it because it was so cute. Guys, look how cute this is. I'm not sure if this is part of the Valentine's Day collection or not, but I saw it on there and I was just like, this is so cute, I have to have it. I believe it's big enough to fit a few ID cards. I mean, I guess you could use it as a card holder if you wanted to too. I'm not sure exactly if I'm just gonna use this for coins or not, but it's really, really pretty. And how much was it? Okay, it says it's going for $128, but I'm pretty sure I did not pay that. What did I pay for this? So I paid $45.09, and this is in the color cherry. So it's really, really pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, what's in here? So this one is the card holder in the signature canvas. Guys, this is so pretty. This chalk against the signature canvas. This color combination is just so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just take all the wrapping off. So this is what it looks like, and you can attach your keys to it if you want. So if you have this in your purse and you just want to run into a store or run somewhere really quickly and you just want to take this in your keys, you can do so. You can attach your keys right here. And what I love about this is not only it's beautiful, but you can put your cards in here. It also has a slot right here, so if you want to put your ID, you can put your ID in there. It has a zipper pocket here, so you can put some cash in there if you wanted to, cards or coins, anything you want to put in there. And it also has a back pocket. So for this one I paid $41.57, and it is so worth it. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm so happy because you guys know I love black and I was tempted to get this in the all black leather, but I'm so happy that I didn't because it's so beautiful. And guys, on the Coach outlet store, I believe if you sign up for text messages, they give you an additional $20 off of $150, and I believe that's what I used also. So on top of these items already being on sale, I kind of got like an additional discount by signing up for the text messages, and I got an additional $20 off. So these are all the items I got. So again, I'm going to leave everything down in the description box below if you guys do want to buy it, and I'll share how much I paid. But again, I know with the Coach outlet website, I do notice that sometimes the prices go a little up and down. So it might be one price today, a few more dollars more tomorrow, I'm not sure. But guys, these are all the items I got, and I'm so excited to use them. I'm really, really, really loving Coach. Everything Coach is doing right now, I am loving it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's little mini haul, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't you forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.